SIMATIC Manager is a powerful software. It is used to program PLCs from Siemens. PLCs are like the brains of industrial machines. They control how machines operate. This guide will teach you the basics of using SIMATIC Manager v5. 5. We will use LAD, a simple programming language. By the end you will be able to create a simple program from start to finish. This guide is designed for beginners. You don't need prior experience to understand it. We will go through each step in detail. We will use clear language. We will also provide helpful tips along the way. Remember to follow each step carefully. This will help you avoid common mistakes. It will also ensure that your program works correctly. Let's begin our journey into the world of PLC programming. This guide will focus on opening and configuring SIMATIC Manager. We will then write a simple program and test it. This will give you a solid foundation for further exploration. Before we dive into SIMATIC Manager, let's organize our workspace. Creating a dedicated folder for your project is essential. This keeps your files in order. It also makes it easier to manage your work. Step 1. On your computer, go to the drive where you want to create your project folder. This could be your local drive C or any other drive. Step 2. Create a new folder. You can name it anything you like. For example, My First Project. Step 3. Open the folder. Create another folder inside named Program. This is where you will save your SIMATIC Manager project. That's it. You have now created a dedicated space for your project. This organized approach will make your work much smoother as you progress through the guide. Now let's open SIMATIC Manager and create a new project within our organized folder. This project will hold all the files related to your PLC program. Step 1. Locate the SIMATIC Manager shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Double-click it to launch the application. Step 2. Once SIMATIC Manager is open, click on the File menu at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Select New Project from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window. Step 4. In the New Project window, navigate to the program folder you created earlier. Step 5. Give your project a name, like My First Program. Click OK. Congratulations. You have successfully created a new project. You are now ready to start configuring your hardware. Before you can start programming, you need to tell SIMATIC Manager about the hardware you are using. This includes the specific PLC, input, and output modules. Step 1. In the SIMATIC Manager project window, double-click on the hardware icon. This will open the hardware configuration window. Step 2. Right-click on the empty space below your project name. Step 3. Select Insert Object and then SIMATIC 300 Station. This will add a new station to your project. Step 4. Now, you need to add the specific PLC and modules you are using. Double-click on the Hardware Catalog tab on the right side of the screen. Once you have added all your hardware components, your configuration is complete. You can move on to the next step. Section 5. Bringing your hardware to life. Assigning addresses. With your hardware configured, you need to assign addresses to your input and output modules. This tells the PLC where to send and receive signals. Step 1. In the hardware configuration window, double-click on the first input module you want to configure. Step 2. In the Properties window that opens, you will see a field for address. Step 3. Enter the starting address for this module. For example, if it's your first input module, you might start with I0.0. Step 4. Repeat the process for all your input and output modules. Ensure each module has a unique address range. Assigning addresses is crucial. It allows the PLC to communicate with the real world. Make sure the addresses are correct to avoid errors in your program. Section 6. The language of machines. Writing your first program in LAD. Now comes the exciting part, writing your program. We will use LAD, which is a graphical and intuitive programming language for PLCs. Step 1. In the SIMATIC Manager project window, double-click on Blocks. Then right-click and select Insert New Object, Function Block, FB, or Function, FC. Step 2. Give your block a name, for example, My First Program, and choose LAD as the programming language. Click OK. Step 3. You will now see the LAD editor. It looks like a blank canvas with a ladder on the left side. Step 4. Use the instructions from the Instructions menu to create your program. Drag and drop instructions onto the ladder rungs. LAD makes programming simple. You can create logic by connecting instructions like pieces of a puzzle. Section 7. Ensuring everything works. Compiling and downloading your program. After writing your program, you need to compile it. This translates it into language the PLC understands. Then, you download it to the PLC's memory. Step 1. Click on the Compile button in the LAD Editor toolbar. This will check your program for errors. Step 2. If there are any errors, the compiler will show them. Correct them, and compile again. Step 3. Once compiled successfully, connect your computer to the PLC using an Ethernet cable. Step 4. Click on the Download button. Select the correct communication settings and download your program. Compiling and downloading are essential steps. They ensure that the PLC can understand and execute your program. Section 8. The moment of truth, testing and debugging your program. With your program downloaded, it's time to test it. This involves running the program on the PLC and observing if it behaves as expected. Step 1. Switch the PLC to run mode. This will start executing your program. Step 2. Observe the inputs and outputs of your PLC. Are they behaving as you programmed them? Step 3. If there are issues, you can use the debugging tools in SIMATIC Manager to troubleshoot. For example, you can monitor the status of variables or step through the program cycle by cycle. Testing and debugging are iterative processes. Don't be afraid to make changes and test again until your program works flawlessly. Section 9. Conclusion, your first steps towards PLC mastery. Congratulations. You have successfully navigated the basics of SIMATIC Manager. You've created a project, configured hardware, written a program, and downloaded it to a PLC. This is a significant accomplishment. Remember that this is just the beginning. PLC programming is a vast and rewarding field. There are countless possibilities for automation and control. Continue exploring SIMATIC Manager, learn new instructions, and experiment with different programming techniques. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in your abilities. Keep in mind that every automation expert started right where you are now. With dedication and a thirst for knowledge, you can master the art of PLC programming and contribute to the exciting world of industrial automation.